Bear Rental in Northumberland has one of the area's largest equipment and tool rental inventories. We have everything you need for any size project inside or outside your home or business, including lawn and garden equipment, drywall tools, lifts, loaders, and so much more. Looking for stone or mulch to spruce up your landscaping? Problem solved. Bear Rental has a variety of stone for your next project. Not sure what tool or piece of equipment you need for your next project? Let our rental experts help you find the right tool and show you how to operate it. And don't worry if what you are renting is too big for your car. We can deliver your rental right to your home. Each piece of equipment is cleaned and inspected by our staff after a rental, so our rentals are always in tip-top shape. Check out our showroom located between Northumberland and Danville on Route 11, or check out our website, www.bear-rental.com. Problem solved.